So welcome students. So in this question you're given two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. So integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx by 1 plus root tan x is equal to pi by 6. Integration from a to b f of x dx is equal to integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So obviously statement 2 is true, there's no problem with it. This is a standard formula. So let us see whether this can be applied to statement 1 or the statement 1 is true or not. So let us try to find this integration. Let I is equal to integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx by 1 plus root of tan x. So I is also equal to, this is of the form integration from a to b f of x. So this can be written as integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x, that is pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is pi by 2 minus x. That means I can put pi by 2 minus x in the place of x, that is 1 plus root of cot x. So tan of pi by 2 minus x is cot x. So there is nothing but integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3. If I write root cot x as 1 by root tan x, so you get dx into root of tan x by 1 plus root of tan x. So root tan x by 1 plus root of tan x. Now I'll add these two. So 2i is equal to integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So dx by 1 plus root tan x, dx root tan x by 1 plus root tan x. So if you add these two, you get dx times 1 plus root tan x by 1 plus root of tan x. So these two gets cancelled. That is equal to integration of dx is equal to x, that is pi by 3 minus pi by 6, which is equal to pi by 6. So 2i is equal to pi by 6. This implies I is equal to pi by 12. So the integration of this is equal to pi by 12, not pi by 6. So this statement is false. So the answer should be the first statement is false and the second statement is true. Thank you.